What does diversity refer to? A. A limited range of people or things. B. The uniformity of people or things. C. A wide range of different people or things. D. A single type of people or things. The correct answer is C. A wide range of different people or things. The tenure of a local body representative is how many years? A. 5. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. The correct answer is A. 5. In which year did India conduct its second nuclear test at Pokhran? A. 1964. Born in 1998. Circa 1974. D. 2004. The correct answer is born in 1998. What is required for a town like Awadhi to be declared a corporation, besides high revenue? A. A population above 10 lakhs. B. A population above 1 lakh. C. A population above 1,000. D. A population above 10,000. The correct answer is A. A population above 10 lakhs. What should children be educated about regarding crossing the street? A. Never to run across or along the street. B. To cross wherever they want. C. To run along the street. D. To sprint across the street. The correct answer is A. Never to run across or along the street. What was the initial number of judges in the Supreme Court at the commencement of the Constitution in 1950? A. 7. B. 6. C. 9. D. 8. The correct answer is D. 8. When did social activists begin making efforts for the development of women and men? A. 20th century. B. 21st century. C. 18th century. D. 19th century. The correct answer is D. 19th century. Who can the Chief Minister recommend the dissolution of the Legislative Assembly to? A. The Governor. B. The President. C. The Speaker of the Assembly. D. The Chief Justice of India. The correct answer is A. The Governor. The National Human Rights Commission is constituted under the protection of what? A. The President's order. B. Human rights. C. A parliamentary act. D. The Constitution of India. The correct answer is B. Human rights. What geographical features are isthmuses? A. Isthmuses. B. Plateaus. C. Oceans. D. Seas. The correct answer is A. Isthmuses. Who accords recognition to various political parties as national or regional parties? A. The Supreme Court. B. The Election Commission. C. The President. D. The Parliament. The correct answer is B. The Election Commission. Which branch of the Indian Armed Forces is the air arm? A. Paramilitary Forces. B. Indian Air Force. C. Indian Army. D. Indian Navy. The correct answer is B. Indian Air Force. What concept is not emphasized in the preamble of the Indian Constitution? A. Liberty. B. Justice. C. Fraternity. D. Sovereignty. The correct answer is D. Sovereignty. Which article of the Constitution protects and safeguards all other rights? A. Article 19. B. Article 14. C. Article 21. D. Article 32. The correct answer is D. Article 32. What level provides services within the structure described? A. Panchayat union level. B. State level. C. District level. D. Town panchayat level. The correct answer is A. Panchayat union level. What is India's stance on colonialism and racism? A. Anti-colonialism, anti-racism. B. Indifferent. C. Neutral. D. Supportive. The correct answer is A. Anti-colonialism, anti-racism. In which year were the first 4 Japanese institutes of manufacturing, JIMS, started? A. 2017. Born in 2015. Circa 2018. D. 2016. The correct answer is A. 2017. Which right category does Article 25, concerning freedom of conscience, fall under? A. Right against exploitation. B. Right to education. C. Right to religion. D. Right to liberty. The correct answer is C. Right to religion. What is required for a successful exchange through the barter system between two people with different commodities? A. Willingness to exchange commodities. B. Savings. C. Invention of money. D. Comparison of value. The correct answer is A. Willingness to exchange commodities. Which factor should not be a basis for discrimination among citizens? A. Type of employment. B. Religion. C. Economic status. D. Geographic location. The correct answer is C. Economic status. What is one specific human right mentioned in the text? A. The right to a fair trial. B. The right to unlimited travel. C. The right to impose laws. D. The right to accumulate wealth. The correct answer is A. The right to a fair trial. What is a mandatory document for operating a vehicle that proves an individual's authorization to drive? A. Driving license. B. Permit. C. Taxation certificate. D. Insurance certificate. The correct answer is A. Driving license. Which of the following is listed as an advantage of media? A. Newspapers. B. Twitter. C. Posters. D. Journals. The correct answer is B. Twitter. What is the term for a prejudgment about someone based on factors like their beliefs, origin, or appearance? A. Acceptance. B. Empathy. C. Tolerance. D. Prejudice. The correct answer is D. Prejudice. Which type of group emphasizes getting their views across, often involving academics, scientists, and celebrities? A. Political parties. B. Linguistic groups. C. Ideology-based groups. D. Environmental protection groups. The correct answer is B. Linguistic groups. Which branch of the central government is responsible for appointing the Prime Minister? A. State legislature. B. Union judiciary. C. Union legislature. D. Union executive. The correct answer is D. Union executive. Living together in different ways is known as what? A. Civilization. B. Continent. C. Diversity. D. Lifestyle. The correct answer is C. Diversity. In which elections can an independent candidate contest if they meet the valid vote percentage criterion? A. Only local body elections. B. Only parliamentary elections. C. Parliamentary or state assembly elections. D. Only state assembly elections. The correct answer is C. Parliamentary or state assembly elections. Which concept is highlighted by Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti? A. Economic prosperity. B. Political stability. C. Cultural exchange. D. National unity. The correct answer is D. National unity. What type of economic activity is common in plain regions? A. Animal rearing. B. Mining. C. Agriculture. D. Fishing. The correct answer is C. Agriculture. How did you score?